Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can scan a physical document with your Chromebook device. And yes, we can do it without any hardware scanner or any third-party tool because the scanning feature is available directly right in your Chromebook device. So in order to do that, you have to first launch the camera app on your Chromebook. So let's navigate to the launcher menu. And after that, you want to open the camera app. It should be located around here. And I'm going to open it. Now by default, the camera feature in Chromebook will open the front camera, but generally speaking, when you want to scan the document, you might want to use the rear camera. Maybe you can use the front camera for scanning, but yeah, generally speaking, the rear camera is a lot better, and also it's a lot easier to use to scan a physical document. So I'm going to switch to a rear camera by clicking on this button. And now it is switching to the rear camera, and yeah, that is the back of my screen. Now you want to enable the scan mode. All right, so it's you actually notice something there. There was a square. It's actually going to be a guideline. Now I'm going to start scanning a document. I actually don't have any physical document at hand, but I do found a photo of a document on a website, and I want to use it as a demonstration. So make sure that everything is lined up, and you want to make sure the document is captured or detected by that AI feature. After that, you want to press the shutter key on the right side of the camera, the circle button, and just wait until the app is processing the image. This should only take just a few seconds. Now when it is done, you can save the photo as a normal photo format, or you can also save the photo as a PDF, which is probably much more convenient. But before you get into that, I do recommend to edit the document by clicking on this pencil icon. Then here you have the option to manually adjust this, I don't know this name, I think it's called control point, and you can basically select which part of the photo that you want to save as a document. And you can also rotate the document if you want to, and click done when you're finished. Now you can save this as a photo or save as a PDF. I'm going to save as PDF because I think that is the most appropriate format for a document. And now I can close the camera app. I'm going to open the document that I just scanned using the camera app. You can click the launcher menu and then open the Files app. I think the Files app is here. I forgot where it was. Oh, this one. The one that has that folder icon. Now the scanned document will be stored under the camera folder. And this is the document that I just scanned. The name format looks something like this. There's an SCN, and then there is some string of numbers. You can double click to open and preview the document that you just scanned using a Chromebook camera. It might take quite a while to open. I think this is particularly because I'm using an older Chromebook model. So this is the result, and I would say not very satisfactory because it's not very contrast, and some words are not readable. So you might want to take another shot, or maybe you can just edit the document by increasing the brightness or making the text more contrast. But in either case, this is basically how you can scan a physical document and have a digital copy of it on your Chromebook device. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.